So after creating the user, you can view user's profile. You can view your own profile. So I can add the first name, the last name. I can add something about me if I biography if I want. Let me update. Let me come back here so you can see I've added this. So the next menu here is the tools. So under the tools you have import. You can install these tools. It will allow you to install blogs, categories, journals, RSS feed, even WordPress and post content pages. You can import them. Just the way that you can import, you can also export. You can export all the content of your site. Your post, you can specify whether you want it as you want to export only the posts, the pages, the media. So once you export this from here, you can come here and import on another site. The next menu under the tools menu is the site health. Just as the name suggests, it's just to let you know the current status of your site in terms of security and performance. You can export personal data and also equally erase. The next menu is the settings. So under the settings, there are various menus under the settings. Let's click on general. Under the general, you can modify your site title and the tagline, the URL, and the WordPress URL and such. You can modify it here. Sorry, this error is showing because you are not online, but it's not a problem. The next option here is the writing. So here you can specify your email server, your password, and the password to your email server and the login name. Under the reading, you can select which of the pages should be a static page and a post page. We are going to explain this a lot more better during the theme installation. So I'll give more explanation there. But you can select which pages you want it to be the home page and which pages do you want it to be a post. When you select a page to be a post page, you're automatically converting that page into a blog. So I'll walk you through the process when we're doing the theme installation and configuration. The discussion, this is where you manage the post discussion, the forum discussion. Under the media, you can specify the thumbnail size, the medium size, and the large size of your image. Basically, these are just for pictures. The permalink, this is extremely important, but by default, it will select day and time. But the most preferable is post name. This will make it easier for you to name your pages and the URL to your pages. So if you select plain, it's just going to show you the page number, which is not ideal. When you choose on this, it's going to show you the day the page was created or the post was created and the name of the page in the URL. The same thing applies to this. It's going to show you the month, then the name of the post. Numeric is going to show you, instead of showing you the post name or the page name, it's going to show you numbers. So the best for me is to use this. If you are done, just click on save.